Hello viewers, welcome you all back to our channel. In today's video we are going to see how to build a project planner or a Gantt chart on your own. You can find multiple templates available in the market, but in this video you will learn how to build something from scratch on your own. This video has three sections. First section is for UI development, second section is for formulas, and third section is for the final touch-up. In case if you are watching this from in between, I would recommend you to watch from the beginning, and you can find links of other two parts from the description box. Please stay connected till end of this series, and don't forget to provide your comments, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's jump into the content. Okay, so now we are in the final section of this video, that is beautification part. So before we jump into beautification, we need to keep one thing in mind, that is we have to freeze the cells because when you move either down or right side, you are expected to log certain cells. So how to determine that? So I have already made a video on that. So whichever column you would like to log and whichever row you would like to log, add 1 to that. Here I need to log till my G column, so adding 1 to that, it makes it to H, and I need to log till H5 and H6, and adding 1 to that makes it till H7. So just click on H7, go to view, freeze panes, just freeze panes. That's it. Now you can move this in right side, or you can move this down as well. So that gives you a perfect view of your project plan. Now then, for the benefit of users, we are also going to add the legends for all the color coding that we have used. To start with, let's insert some shapes. I am going to insert a shape. My first shape is okay, so let's make some minor adjustment. That's it. Now I am going to give color for this shape as gray color. Right click, format shape, go to fill, give color as gray. Yes, and add pattern fill. Pattern fill, I think it should be this. Should be this, something like this. Yes. So now these are all weekends. Now let's do one thing. Let me duplicate this and just do the pattern modification. I'm selecting all these shapes and I'm going to remove their outline. I don't need outline for these shapes, so that removing outline gives a better view. Now for this I need to give yellow color. Shape fill should be yellow. I think it should be this yellow, and then let's add the pattern fill again for this as well. Go to pattern fill. I think it should be this diagonal. It should be weekend. Sorry, it should be today's date. And then comes the blue color. Control D keeps your shapes here. Okay, so let's keep the shapes first and then we can do the formatting. So blue, then we have one more purple, red, solid green and solid red. Let us start formatting these shapes accordingly. So for references, we can look for the colors, what colors we have used. Let me edit this rule and let's see which blue I have used. Okay, I've chosen this blue. Let me go back to this. Right click, format shape. It should be, yes, pattern fill, but color should be blue, and this should be, it should be this pattern. I think that looks better. Not this. Okay, it should be this pattern, correct. Then next one is purple. Let's go for purple. Instead of yellow, it should be purple. I think this pattern. Then going back to this, it should be red color shaded one, red with white shade. Then next one should be this. It should be a solid fill of green, and then one more solid fill of red color. So perfect. Now we can start giving the labels down. This should say that it's a week end. Let's do one thing. Let's reduce the font size. Okay, 11 itself is a little large, and keep it up to 8. Okay, then yellow color is for today. Then blue is for planned. Then purple is for in progress. Then red is for in progress. Then should be delay, in progress delay. And then green is for completed, red is for completion, delay. So that's the legend. Okay, that's perfect. Let's wrap the text and we are good to go. So now our project plan is completely ready and we can expose this out. You can share it with your colleagues. You can to make use of the space effectively, you can remove the headings and you can also remove the formula bar. And if you want to see the plan for future dates, then you can just modify the start date. For example, if you are in the month of June and if you want to see the project plan for the month of June, you can just modify the start date and that takes you there. Okay, so now we are, let's get back to 27 April. All good. I hope you would have found this video useful. Please share your comments, please subscribe to our channel, and that encourages us to make useful videos for you. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support and thanks for watching this till the end. Please try the hands-on conditional formatting is one of the important technique that helps you to produce better visualization. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.